And in what could become another bomb cyclone, the National Weather Service has issued a warning of a major storm barreling towards the United States East Coast. The U.S. weather forecasts body has further warned of hurricane-force winds for most of the shore from the mid-Atlantic to New England for the next couple of days. This cyclone is characterized by steep atmospheric pressure drops of up to 24 millibars in 24 hours. Hit the Atlantic coast in the month of January, causing havoc in the region. Experts have warned of flooding, strong winds and heavy rain, with tides already high owing to a full moon. Eastern Massachusetts is going to be perhaps the worst affected. The governor there has already warned the coastal communities of potential evacuations. Now, power outages and flight delays are also likely in the event of a severe storm hitting the eastern coast.